All right, what's up, traders? It's Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into it. I got a good one here for you today, man, because I'm going to show you a scenario where I completely lucked out today. Okay, but first things first, we had a monster, and I mean monster intraday reversal on the S&P 500. Okay, this was a move that pretty much caught every trader on the planet by surprise. Nobody was expecting it, and the reversal was so large and so enormous, it ended up causing some significant forced liquidations to the point where the S&P 500 basically plunged 1.5% in about 30 minutes. Okay, but first let me show you some of the setups. All right, guys, so just so you know, just to be clear, the S&P 500 is the most popular, most liquid, and in my honest opinion, one of the best symbols to trade. And you can trade this bad boy on any asset class, all right? Whether you trade Forex, whether you trade futures, or whether you trade stocks and options, this thing is something you can trade across the board, okay? It's very, very liquid. And I mean, I think the S&P 500 is available to be traded at any broker on the planet, okay? That's how popular it is, okay? And frankly, the reason that I like it is, at least so far, it's been moving really well, okay? And what you're also seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile. You see this green and red color band, right? It's a simple indicator. You can't really beat the simplicity behind green and red. It's color-coded to the point where even a 6-year-old, all right, can interpret the signals that this trading indicator provides. When it's green, the buyers are in control, look for longs. When it's red, the sellers are in control, look for shorts. Period. End of discussion, end of story. But I'm going to show you some really interesting setups today, okay? So as you guys know, I love retracements, and we got a really nice retracement early on in the first half of the trading session, okay? Because we were massively bullish for most of the Sunday night session into Monday morning, right? In fact, I'll just go ahead and timestamp midnight for you. I mean, look at that. That's midnight right there. And like almost immediately, we get a beautiful retracement setup, all right? Pretty much perfect. You can't beat it. Straight up color match, right? Green bar, green color band, underneath the band, boom! That's the long signal. Okay, now of course the trade-off is this came at 3 o'clock in the morning. I was not able to catch this signal. I imagine that a lot of you guys were not able to catch this signal. But check this out. I really lucked out today. Okay, and I don't normally do this, so I want to preface this and warn you guys that I don't normally trade this way. And when I say this way, what I mean is I don't normally trade the color change of this indicator. You follow? That is typically the aggressive way. Not that there's anything wrong with trading the color change. It's just I like to wait for the retracements, meaning I'm more of a conservative trader than an aggressive trader. You follow? So as an example, an aggressive trader would definitely take the color change, whereas a conservative trader would probably wait for some downward momentum to be established, and then we'd want to wait for the price to dip back, aka retrace, and we'd look to go short the market only on a retracement. And look, there's many times where the market changes direction. It gets flagged by this volume indicator, and it just rips in that direction, meaning you don't get the retracement. But I'm going to tell you why I happen to completely luck out and actually catch this trade. You want to know why? Okay. I also believe in levels on the S&P 500, like large round blocks of numbers. Okay, we came really close to 4,000 on the S&P today, like super close. Okay, within like 0.5%. And the trend change, like just boom, it just floored everybody, caught everybody by surprise. But check this out. You see this color change here? You see the trend change represented by this vol indicator where it turns from green into red at a price value of exactly 39.50 on the S&P. And what I've noticed, guys and gals, is these big round numbers like 4,000, 39.50, then 3,900, right? 3,900 is all the way down here, by the way, when we hit 3,900 in today's session, by the way, okay? These nice even 50-point blocks on the S&P, I'm telling you, there's something magical about those levels. And whenever I see a vol color change, okay, take place on a statistically significant level on the S&P, man, I want to hammer that trade. Okay, is this making sense? So, look, I have a lot of customers who do trade aggressively anyway, regardless of these levels. And look, if that's you, congratulations, man, because you caught another trade of a lifetime today. And, to put this in perspective to other charts, I mean, if we look at these garbage charts that, all these idiot retail trader amateurs were looking at, this is the exact same location in the market, right? How on earth do you predict a trend change? Where on earth do you even think about going short the market, right? It's not possible. This is complete garbage, right? And so the takeaway, guys and gals, from watching this video from today's really impressive price action, I mean, again, this intraday reversal that we saw today on the S&P to the downside was powerful. And it just goes to show you that when you have a simple trading indicator like this volume indicator, all right, this green and red color band, which is proprietary, you guys simply have to try this out for yourselves, okay? But when you get your hands on something so simple but so powerful, I firmly believe that this can transform anybody's trading technical analysis, okay? So again, congrats to everybody who was able to successfully catch this color change on the vol today, and I can't wait to see if we're going to get the same setup tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.